where in such a huge number people have been given citizenship. So we were repeatedly asking that is the Pakistani law say, or there is any other law say that no, you will not grant, you will grant citizenship to individuals one by one, not in such a large or in thousands or in 100,000. And he was, I think, very unfortunate. He represented the Pakistan Lawyers community as president of Supreme Court Bar Association, and he was just stuck to that point that no, I still say that there is no instance where such a large number of people have been granted citizenship in one go. So that was the argument. I think as Baloch Sahab has pointed out, we need to listen to them. And they're genuine, definitely, because Balochistan has been ignored for the last 7-8 decades in Pakistan. So we should not take it as that it is their ethnic or their demographic change concerns. They may have genuine concerns. We should listen them, we should engage them, we should not take them, especially in media, as the agent who are opposing the idea. Unfortunately, we in media currently engaging the Baloch leadership in talk show is they are opposing this idea, and Khattak Sahab is for this. I think this opposition and this pro and for things, it should be done away with. There should be an honest, dedicated, informed dialogue and discussion. More parliamentarians should be engaged, more media persons and the people from civil society, and I think SHARP and other organizations working in human rights, refugees, children rights, women rights issue. I think they should take the lead. This is my suggestion.